Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. I'm Kristen Olson Stone. This is where I paint, and it's also where I film my online art lessons. I've been teaching people the joy of painting for over 25 years. My approach to teaching art is to help you develop and build new art skills. The more skills you have, the more your confidence in your art abilities will grow. Eventually, you will feel like you can draw and paint anything you want, and that is the freedom to be truly creative. You'll feel like no subject is too intimidating. I also endeavor to inspire you by offering lessons on how to paint a variety of subjects such as birds, flowers, and landscapes from around the world. I have both oil and watercolor painting memberships. If you have the time, I recommend that you do both. It's a good idea to paint in multiple mediums. For instance, painting in watercolor actually helps you sort out your color mixing and design skills. This will help you paint with a fresher approach in oils. If you're a watercolor painter, I recommend trying oils as well. They are a bit messier than watercolor, but equally fulfilling. I teach both palette knife and brush techniques. My Patreon site is where I will share what I've learned about art over a lifetime of drawing and painting. I'm constantly experimenting with new color palettes, brushes, and surfaces. When I discover something really special, I will always be sure to share a post about it on my Patreon site. I've always been inspired by travel, nature, and wildlife, especially birds. And lately I've been drawing inspiration from interior scenery. I find the shapes and colors are fascinating. I also have a mentorship plan with limited enrollment. With this plan, you get all of the lessons for both oil and watercolor, as well as a monthly one-on-one Zoom lesson and email support. These are personalized lessons where I can help you with your studio work or give you an in-person step-by-step painting lesson. If you're considering this plan, message me for more details, or we can schedule a call to discuss. Happy painting, everyone.